Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm here in Florida where we have been providing quality accounting and tax services for more than 20 years now. We're going to make this short video about the latest development in this PPP saga. If you have been following the news since the PPP program started, you know that the PPP program has had constantly been changing. That's the importance of subscribing to our channel. So you always get the latest information on the PPP program. Okay. Today is July 5th, and I always emphasize the date because since there have been so many changes, whatever we discuss today may change as soon as tomorrow. Once again, that's the importance of subscribing to our channel so you always get the latest information. Well, the good news is that the PPP program has been extended for 5 more weeks. Just yesterday, July 4th, the President Trump signed the bill, which had been approved in the Senate and Congress last week, but it became law yesterday, July 4th. So it is now official that the PPP program is being extended for 5 more weeks. So now you have until August 8th to apply for the PPP program. According to the SBA website, there's still $130 billion available in funds. And this is very good news for self-employed, which were only able to apply for PPP in the second round. And they really felt a little bit left out because they were seeing that the lenders were prioritizing small businesses and leaving self-employed out, and that their applications were taking a lot longer compared to other business types. So this is very good news for self-employed individuals that have now 5 more weeks to apply to get these funds. Now, where can you apply? Well, you can apply through your bank, but since April, our firm has done over 400 PPP applications, and we have seen that the fintechs are really where to get your funds fast. As of today, I checked July 5th, Bluevine and Fundbox are already accepting applications. But Cabbage, PayPal, and Square, they are still not accepting applications because they closed the applications on June 30th. But now that there has been an extension, the only websites we have seen as of today that are accepting applications is Bluevine and Fundbox. We are pretty sure that Cabbage, PayPal, and Square should start this week to accept new applications whenever they update their system. Okay, the PPP rules have stayed the same. The only change is that you have more time to apply. The PPP loan is still a 5-year loan at a 1% interest. Now remember, if you received your PPP loan before June 5th, you still have a 2-year loan. You have to negotiate with your lender to change it to a 5-year loan. Only PPP loans received after June 5th are automatically a 5-year loan. Good. It is still, you can still apply for forgiveness and self-employed. Good news. The rules, you can get full forgiveness if you're self-employed if you do your application and forgiveness application correctly. The same rules apply. You still have to use at least 60% of the funds for payroll costs and up to 40% of the funds for non-payroll expenses for mortgage interest, rent, and utilities. And the covered period is still the same. You have 24 weeks to use the PPP funds. But remember that if you receive PPP funds before June 5th, you have the option to choose the 8-week covered period as well. So the rules have stayed the same. You only have now more time. You have 5 more weeks. You have until August 8th to apply to get the PPP loan funds. Okay. Now, there are some changes that may come in the near future. There are some congressmen that are working on a second PPP program, and they're calling it the P4, called the Prioritized Paycheck Protection Program. Basically, this would be a second PPP program that businesses that received a PPP loan can apply for a second PPP loan. Now, it is more or less the same rules in terms of forgiveness, but the new rules will say that only businesses with fewer than 100 employees can apply, and self-employed can apply as well. And also, businesses have to show that that they lost more than 50% of revenue due to COVID-19. The application would be until October 1st, and public traded companies cannot apply. So this is something that is being worked on in Congress. It is not approved yet. Also, there are some senators that want all PPP loans that are under $150,000 to become grants, meaning it'll be automatically forgiven in full. Okay, if this passes through Congress and becomes a law, this will help a lot of different small businesses, and they don't have to go through the process of loan forgiveness and the forgiveness application forms. But once again, this is not a law yet, but it is something that is being worked on as we speak. Okay, well, thank you. If you have received value out of this video, like this video so a lot of people get this information. Remember to subscribe to our channel as well. This is our contact information. We are providing consultations, and if you need help in applying for the PPP loan, we are providing that as a service as well. If you do not know us, we are part of Freedom Group. We have the tax accounting firm, we have an immigration law firm, we have a real estate business, and we also have an insurance and financial planning business as well. So we can help you in many, many ways. Once again, this is our contact information. Thank you and God bless. Bye.